we're not labeling here. Like how we can do it in this more free flowing way, rather than like you say, right? I've got the book. Okay, defender is da 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 da. There's no fact sheet. This is fluid. Of like I'm trying to create this freedom for our animal friends, and actually all the while I've created another box for them because now it becomes another label. Oh well, my dog can't do that because they're a such and such. Oh well, it's because my dog is a such and such. They do this. They can't do it. And this is the tricksiness of the mind. The thinking mind is linear. It's either this or that. It has to fit here or there. It can't then go over here onto there or depend on this. The mind likes the simplicity, but the mind always, for its own ego, for a better word, like I want the answers. I want the answers. I need that. It needs to make sense to me. Whereas I'm receiving information. I'm learning something new that's expanding my knowledge and understanding of my animal friends that helps me to help them in a way where I can relax and then my animal friend can relax rather than, oh, it's because he's a defender. Oh, because he's a defender, da 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 da. Oh, my dog likes to defend me, therefore it's a defender. No, that's what the thinking mind, through its construct, is telling us because we're like that. Oh, tick. That's tick 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 tick. Whereas we're like, no, let's go into the feeling and the observation, and then the circumstance, and then we can get information.